and then put it on fire. Hi guys, good morning. How are you doing? It's another day, another vlog. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate. Yesterday, in the previous vlog, I bought some few things. So right now, I'm just from lighting the jiko. My hands are not so clean because of the charcoal. So I want to wash one of these, like this batch and these, and then put it on fire so that I can eat. Yeah, so that I can have for breakfast. Right now it's 12:16 p.m. Okay, just 12:16 p.m. and I want to cook now the sweet potatoes. So the jiko is not lighting so well, so let me see if it will light. Then I want to wash that and put it on fire, and then I'll cook porridge. I'll take it with porridge because I don't have milk and I don't like black tea. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy today's video. Thanks so much for being here. If you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. And thank you. See you. Guys, it's 1 p.m. I've not taken breakfast. The jiko has been it's just that it has lit English right now. So I've just put the sweet potatoes right now. I want to cook porridge, and I want to remove the veggies because I said I want to cook them today. The black nightshade, then I'll eat tomorrow. But I have pumpkin leaves today. I have a lot, but the good thing is the utensils are clean. So let me just do that as I watch a movie and as I cook porridge. I have a lot to do, but I'm not complaining. I thank God. So yeah. porridge is ready, but the sweet potato is still cooking, so I'll just be having this, then when it cooks I'll eat later. But that's what I'm doing. I'll see you later. So guys, I'm seated here on my bed because it's raining. It's still 2:47 p.m. and it has rained. So I'm just thinking, I know for sure today I'll go with the gumboots, but again, I'm supposed to cook, and I'm so, like, when the rain rains and I've not done anything, I always feel like I'm tired. I just want to get inside my bed and sleep. So that's why I'm just seated here thinking what to do next. But let me show you the veggies that I was cooking. It's ready. It's here. So this is black nightshade. As I said, I'm not eating today. So the one I'm eating today is the pumpkin leaves. I need to make it right now. I don't know if I'll show you while making, but I want to make it. And then I said I don't have a lot of dirty utensils, so I just have to make the veggies, then cook, and then get out. Of course, take a shower and then get out, because yeah, I have to go to work. So that's what's happening. But also, let me put the sardines that I bought yesterday where they belong. like around 3 times or 4 times. And then this is cooked. It's for tomorrow. I need to put it in a tin and then close it. Cooked. Guys, it's raining a lot. Hey, will I go to work? It has rained like round 1. This is round 2, and I'm still here. It's early. It's 3 now, so I could not go to work early, and again I have to cook. So I think I'll just take a motorbike, but that's later. If I get late, because it's like it will be raining. It will be raining for the next 2 hours. So if it will take time, I'll just relax, do everything, then take a bath and be ready. Then I'll take a motorbike, because if I take a motorbike, it's just 2 minutes to work. Guys, it's still raining and I'm supposed to go. I'm ready. I'm just heading out. I've switched off everything there. I've picked my keys in the bag. I have this, my flask here, and then here I am with my boots. Yeah. So it's still raining. You can hear. I don't know if I'll get a motorbike around here, because I need a motorbike. I cannot walk. It has rained. See you on the other side. Oh, I've forgotten to. Let me show you. I'm supposed to go. Yes. All that is water there. Hi guys, what's up? It's not morning. Today I've woken up almost 1. So right now, let me show you. Right now it's 1:04, 1:04 p.m. and I've woken up like 10 minutes ago, less than 10 minutes ago. So I think also it's because yesterday I showed you it was raining. Let me put this on low heat. I showed you yesterday it was raining, and it rained until around, I don't know until at night it was raining. The water was just passing everywhere, but the drainage here is okay. Let me tilt this a little bit. The drainage in this area is okay, and also we are in a, like, the area is slopey, so the water goes and then goes in the river. So it's not like it will stagnate, but it was a lot of water. It can carry a person. But yeah, I think that's I can say that's why I have slept in until around 12:50 something p.m. from 2 p.m. And again, I was not sleeping well last week. I think I mentioned in one of the video I've been having a headache for like 5 days, and I was not taking medication. So I decided to take medication, and it worked. So I think it has relieved me also the pressure. So the pressure of the headache, it relieved me. So I have been sleeping well. I thank God for that. So today, while you'll be watching this, I'm hoping it will be on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday 6th. Uh, there's one of my colleagues who lost his dad, and as you are watching today, I'll be in the funeral burial. Yeah, so I'll be going there to support him, and also I think some few others will come from Nairobi. My colleagues from Nairobi will come so that we can go and support him. Apart from being our colleague, he's also like a family friend, because my dad works at his aunt's place. So it's like family friends. So I'm going there as a colleague and as a friend also. But he lost his dad last week. As you're watching this, it was last week. Yeah, Thursday. No, as you're watching this, it will be like almost 2 weeks. So I'll be here just telling you, pray for me and him, because losing somebody, it's hard, but I always feel people's pain, because more so those one who are close to me. Like, he's not that close, but as I said, family friend. But now, we interact like almost daily, because we work the same company. So I feel his pain, and he's the firstborn, and it's a lot. It's a lot. So they were fundraising on Sunday. I think it was on Sunday. I think I'm not getting the dates wrong, but it's the following the previous Sunday. As you're watching this on Wednesday, the previous Sunday, they have been fundraising. I think if I don't know the place, but I also don't like crowds. So if I get someone who I'll go with the person. But if I'll not go, I think I'll just do through the phone. I'll send my contribution through the phone, and then on Wednesday, as you're watching, I might, because the people, my colleagues who are coming from Nairobi, they will come with cars and they will be sleeping in town. I'll talk to one of the cars they will come with. If there will be space, I'll go with them. But also, if there will be no space, but I'll just find myself there. I'll just go, because I told him I'll come. Yeah, I I'm not going anytime here between alone. As I said, I'm not good with people. Not good with people, but I don't like where people are crowded. So I like going there. Maybe we be two of us, someone to I can rely on, like, for support. Yeah. So that's what's happening. But all in all, everything is okay. Just waking up. Today I'm cooking black tea, because I have sweet potatoes from yesterday. So yesterday I took porridge and sweet potatoes. Today I want to take black tea and sweet potatoes. It slaps. It slaps. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Let me show you. So this is the black tea, almost ready. And then I have the sweet potatoes from yesterday. I'm not going to warm them because how could I? I don't have a microwave, so I'll just take it. But again, hot black tea and cold sweet potatoes on point. Yeah. Then yesterday, as I was going to work, I bought this milk. I showed you, and I also told you I was cooking two types of vegetables. So this is black nightshade. I want to put the milk in, and then the one I ate yesterday is this one. I also have for today supper. So this one I'll just put milk because I love it with milk. Let me do that with you. So guys, let me have the breakfast. Yeah, I'm going to have the breakfast. And okay, the problem with the milk right now, because I usually take it from my friend, and I said she gave birth, so there's no way she can handle the dairy, and also the baby is still it's less than 2 weeks, maybe let's say less than 3 weeks, and there's no way she could handle that. So that's why right now I always take porridge. I don't like black tea, but try black tea with sweet potatoes. Will thank me later. So that's why I bought also the packet milk, and I put it in the veggies instead of cooking tea with it. I like it in the veggies because it's it's good in the vegetables. So yeah, that's what I'll do. I don't know if this video will continue. If it will not continue, I'll see you in the next vlog. But if it'll continue, you'll see me later. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate your support and everything you're doing to me. I really, really appreciate. I don't take your support for granted. Thank you so much. See you when you see me. Guys, I think the video will end here today. It's not so long, I hope, or it's not so short. I'm not sure yet, but I'll compile and then see if it's good for a vlog. Yeah, but let me just get ready and get out of here, because also I've heard there's an issue with the system in the office, so I have to go early. Not really to report early, but I have to go early so that I can prepare myself before starting my shift. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.